The past few weeks have certainly been a season to be jolly for Christians all over the world, including Iranian Christians. Iranian Christians are mostly Armenians, and they celebrate Christmas on the 6th of January.
This church is not in a village in Europe, but actually we're in the East Azerbaijan province of Iran. After the Ottoman War in 1603, Armenians began to arrive in Iran in search of a new life under the Shah Abbas I. They were settled in different provinces, including Isfahan.
The Van Cathedral in Isfahan was the first church to be established in the Julfa district. Construction began in 1606, and with major design alterations was completed in 1664.
نوع گنبدها و ساخت گنبدهایی که در کلیسای ما در شهر اصفهان وجود داره به لحاظ معماری کلیسای ارمنی استثنایی. مقاماتی که مشغول ساخت کلیسا در اون بره تاریخی بودند به جهت احترام خاصی که به مسلمانان قائل بودند نوع گنبدها را طوری در نظر گرفتند که با نوع گنبدهای مساجد یکسان باشه.
The Van Cathedral is the most visited cathedral in Isfahan. Among the churches built in the Julfa district of Isfahan, the magnificent and architecturally significant Van Cathedral is the most famous. As you can see, the interior is covered with fine paintings. The delicately blue and gold painted central dome depicts the biblical story of creation of the world and man's expulsion from Eden. The area surrounding the cathedral includes a raised area with a memorial to the 1915 Armenian genocide in Turkey, a bell tower, a library, and a museum which was opened in 1905. The museum contains many historical artifacts from the history of the cathedral, as well as manuscripts. In this astounding museum, you will find the first printing press in the Middle East. It was founded by Bishop ḳa뾱agaťur. It may seem like a small museum, but I guarantee you will see things here that you have not seen in any museum in the West. You can even find the first book ever printed in Iran right here.
Armenians have always played an active role in Iranian society. Today we have come to the Armenian cemetery. This is the memorial dedicated to the brave Armenian soldiers who fought alongside their Muslim brothers in the Iran-Iraq War.
噚اوران Cemetery is a cemetery located in southeast Tehran. ḵاوران is the traditional burial ground for religious minorities in Tehran. Iranian religious minorities played a pivotal role in the 8-year imposed war by Iraq against the country. Armenian courage was recognized by Iran's leaders who showed appreciation for the valor of those fighters. Monuments like these were made in honor of Armenian martyrs of the Islamic Republic.
اواخر خرداد 64 رفتن خدمت و 16 شهریور همون 64 هم شهید شدن. تنها سربازی بود که 99 روز فقط خدمت کرد واسه این مملکت.
اوج جنگ بود. تمام مرخصی ها لغو بود. حتی به فرمانده خود من مرخصی ندادن. فرمانده منو خواست، گفت آقای کشی حق شماست که در سال نو در پیش خانواده‌تون باشید. مرخصی ها لغو است. ولی از نظر من شما میتونید برید. من برگه‌تونم صادر کردم. خب ترک اون بچه‌ها بسیار تلخ بود و از یه رو دیدن خانواده من بسیار شیرین.
Over the years, religious minorities in Iran have always been respected by the Muslim majority. Here we see Iran's leader of the Islamic Revolution, Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei, visiting an Armenian family on Christmas Eve. The family had lost their son to the 8-year Iran-Iraq war.
We're in the Iranian parliament. Iranian lawmakers have been accommodating to this religious minority.
The constitution recognizes Zoroastrians, Jews and Christians as the religious minorities, and they are entitled to have representatives in the parliament. As far as Christians are concerned, there are 2 seats for the Armenians and 1 for the Assyrians.
ارامنه ایران مشخصاً دارای حالا آزادی‌های حتی سیاسی و اجتماعی هم هستند و در کشور روزنامه ارمنی زبان آلیک که در واقع یک روزنامه ماهیتاً سیاسی و اجتماعی است الان دومین قدیمی ترین روزنامه در حال چاپ کشور محسوب میشه بعد از روزنامه اطلاعات.
Assyrians have been living in Iran for nearly 4,000 years. In that time, they have managed to preserve their religion as well as their language. Assyrian children, just like their parents, are fluent in their native tongue.
ایران واقعا یک مهد ادیان ابراهیمی است، همه در کنار هم در صلح و صفا و صمیمیت مراسمشون رو برگزار میکنن. ما از چند روز شروع کردیم به برگزاری اعیاد میلاد عیسی مسیح. هر روز یه برنامه‌ای داریم برای این موارد.
Many kids get excited about Christmas. They look forward to lots of things, like spending time with family, getting lots of presents, or going on a holiday. We have come to an Assyrian children's Christmas party to see how they embrace the festive period. Children as young as traditional songs and reading passages from holy scriptures.
آشوری‌های ایران تقریباً 3700 ساله که در ایران زندگی می‌کنند. در کنار برادران و خواهران خودشون مسلمونا، زرتشتی‌ها، کلیمی‌ها، مسیحیان ارامنه و سایر اقوامی که در ایران هستند. در این آشوب بازاری که در خاورمیانه وجود داره ما بسیار خوشحال هستیم که در ایران عزیز در امنیت کامل به زندگی روحانی، زندگی قومی، آموزش زبان آشوری، آموزش تعلیمات دینی همه اینا رو انجام میدیم ما.
At this festive time of year, businesses go all out to entice customers into their stores. There are many ways to get people walking through those shop doors, but one of the best is to put up a lavish Christmas window display, and the more appealing to the eye, the better. Shops in this part of town have made a great effort with their Christmas window displays this year. We're in the Armenian quarter of Tehran. Let's go and see what's on offer for Christmas. These carefully arranged Christmas ornaments make for a lovely window display. They're simple, colorful, and all at once make you think of buying, or better still, to receiving presents. All this window shopping has made me tired and even a little hungry. This Armenian patisserie is well known in Tehran for their handmade exquisite cakes and pastries. Using traditional recipes and authentic methods, this is a haven for a little self-indulgence.
Armenians actually celebrate New Year's first and then celebrate Christmas on January the 6th, the Epiphany.
Armenia and Armenians were the first nation to accept Christianity as a state religion. And this was in 301. All the churches, till at the end of the 4th century, were celebrating the Christmas at the 6th of January. So the oldest date of celebration for Christmas was on the 6th of January.
We have come to the Sarkis Church in Tehran to see the traditions and rituals on this special day. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Piruz Farmand for Iran.